Engine rattling at idle refers to unusual noises or vibrations when your car is stationary and the engine is running at low RPMs. This often indicates underlying issues like loose components, poor combustion, or worn parts. Recent advancements include AI-driven sensors in newer cars that can detect these rattles early through onboard diagnostics. Common causes in modern vehicles involve carbon buildup from direct injection engines and the corrosive effects of ethanol-blended fuels. Ignoring these rattles can lead to costly repairs, so it's essential to diagnose and address them promptly. In the next section, we will cover common causes and DIY fixes. Several DIY fixes can address engine rattling. Start with a visual inspection to check for loose heat shields or exhaust components. Use an OBD scanner to identify potential misfires or fuel system issues. For carbon buildup, consider using fuel additives or walnut blasting if experienced. Regular maintenance is key. Change your oil every 5,000 miles. Replace fuel filters and use high-quality synthetic oils. Remember safety. Always disconnect the battery before starting any repairs. If the problem persists or you're unsure, consult a professional mechanic to avoid further damage.